everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Sephora credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in Sephora credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. On the next page where all of the search results are displayed on the screen, click on this first link that says Sephora credit card, manage your account. It'll take you to this page over here. Simply go ahead and choose any card that you'd like to log in with and click it on. You'll end up in the main homepage of Sephora. Click on the sign in button at the top of the screen and it'll help you bring up a login area at the right hand side. Enter your username in the text box where it says username. And head over to the next field where it says password. Type in your password for your Sephora credit card account. Go ahead and click on the show link or the eye icon if you'd like to double check your password before moving on, if you'd like to log in without any kind of a problem. Once you're done entering your credentials, click on the Remember Me box if you want the system to remember your credentials, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box unchecked before moving on. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions to look for your username or to reset your password. Finally, after typing in your credentials and you're ready to log in, click on the Sign In button, and that way you'll be able to log into your Sephora credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.